everyone. So on today's episode of What in the Name of Cheese Did My Child Learn in Math, we're going to go over some conversions. So today was our first day of topic 13. The kids are learning how to convert customary units of length. So they all have a little cheat sheet, if you will. This is posted in Google Classroom, and I want to show you how they should be breaking apart these problems. So if we look at the first problem, we have 32 yards and we're converting to feet. So the first thing we ask the kids, what unit is larger? So they should be able to recognize that yards is the larger unit and we're converting to a smaller unit, feet. So on their cheat sheet, they should find how do we convert from yards to feet. And if they look through this, look, you'll see that it tells them to multiply by 3. So the number that they're provided with, 32, should be multiplied by 3. They should be doing this work on separate paper to ensure that they're getting the correct product. So they should multiply 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, 9. They now know that 32 yards is equivalent to 96 feet. Next problem, they may also see a fraction. So on this second problem we're working on, we have 1/4 of a foot is equal to how many inches? So again, on their paper, they'll locate feet to inches, and that's multiply by 12. And just to go back, feet and inches. They should recognize feet is the larger unit and inches, smaller unit. So we are going to multiply 1/4 times 12. Now we had to remind the kids today how to do this because we haven't done this in 2 topics. So they should be multiplying the numerator times the whole number, 1 times 12, which is 12. The denominator stays the same. They should also recognize that we're talking about an improper fraction again. 4 goes into 12 3 whole times. They should now know that 1/4 of a foot is equal to 3 inches. Last but not least, we have miles to yards. So looking at our handy dandy cheat sheet here, or reference page, miles to yards, it's going to ask the students or remind the students they should multiply by 1,760. So we are going to take this number and multiply. But again, miles, larger unit, and yards, smaller unit. And on a separate piece of paper, we will put the larger number on top and multiply by 3. They should be touching each number as they multiply. 3 times 0, 0. 3 times 6, 18. Drop the 8, carry the 1. 7 times 3, 21. Add 1, 22. Drop the 2. Oh, sorry. Drop the 1. No, that's right. Drop the 2. Sorry, it's the end of the day. Carry the 2. And last but not least, 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. So they will get a total of 5,280 yards. Best of luck.